Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and like the video, I really appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be showcasing, doing an unboxing. This is of a dash cam. These are the FitCamX Dashcams. I'll provide like the information and the details and everything. This one in particular, it's a universal one. It's an HD2 model. And I got it so I could, switch it from different vehicles. But you can get actual dash cams that are specific to your vehicles from this manufacturer. So just really quick, just want to show what it has. It just shows some key features like Wi-Fi connection, loop recording. Basically, you just record the video, the oldest, whatever gets deleted starts recording the new one. There's a G sensor. These are like for like impacts or car crashes. It detects basically when there's an incident, and I'll provide more information in the setup. It has super wide angle, perfect fit, and then wide dynamic range. Just wanted to show how the box is, and then of course it is 4K, and I'm going to show what comes in the box. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is how it's set up in the inside. You have your accessories, and then you get the actual dash cam itself. And then they provide you a user manual. And this actually has like a QR code where you could actually see the installation video for the dash cam. So this is going to be very helpful, because this is an unboxing video. I'm going to be doing a separate video of the actual installation and setup on my vehicle. Okay, so that's everything in the accessories. So these are the tools that they provide you, I guess, for the installation. And they have this thing here. I'll read up on it to see what all this is. And then I guess this is for some type of stick it somewhere. Oh, I'll find out what's all of that. So let's go and see how the dash cam looks like. Let me get this out. Okay, so that's everything that's inside the box. These are just packaging bags. So let's take a look and see exactly how this looks like. Oh, okay. So this is probably going to make more sense when I'm doing the actual installation video. Because this would go up on the top to record. Let's see. Here's some more, I guess, detailed information. It shows you how the dash cam would be set up. So we'll go through that later. So let's see what this is. I guess it's just different parts of the dash cam. Okay. And like I mentioned before, this is a universal one. so it's not specific to any particular car model. And they have these cables here. And I was excuse me, I was reading up on this, and it mentions something about the fuse box of the vehicle where you would connect this to. So I'm guessing that's what these cables are for. So like I mentioned before, the light went out, so I'm sure you can still see it. I'm going to be going through the installation instructions to see how it's actually set up. Okay, I dropped a couple of things there. I'll just pick them up really quick. I'm guessing these are like for guides for the cable. You can see here. Set them up on the side. And this is the rear camera. You can see here the rear camera. And this one has its own specific installation instructions as well. So don't forget to subscribe like I mentioned, because I am going to be doing the installation video and setup. And this all looks, I guess, complicated, but it should be very simple after reading the instructions. So let me put everything here. This is the actual dash cam here. You can see it. It's kind of like to mimic the factory. I guess the rear view mirrors and everything that they have. So let me just put everything up here, and then I'm going to show exactly how everything comes. Okay, so that's basically everything that comes in the box. You can see everything laid out there. They provide the installation cables. I'm guessing that's for the fuse box installation, since this is a universal and not specific to any vehicle. There you can see the actual dash cam here. And then it even has it labeled like that cable is for the rear camera, and there's the rear camera there. So let me know what you think about the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. And then I will be doing very soon the installation video of this. And by the way, I'm going to be doing it on a 2025 Nissan Sentra. So I want to see how that installation, after reading the instructions, get familiarized with it, and then I'm going to do the video for that. So thank you very much for checking out the video. Oh, and one more thing I needed to add on the video was that I do have a link in the description that will provide you a discount for a purchase of any type of dash cam from the FitCamX Dashcam family of videos. So I'm going to provide the link on the description. Click on it so you can get your discount code on there. Thank you very much.